so we've developed a theory that basically breaks physics. See, it's an equation to figure out how old you'll be in 3 years, but it makes no sense at all, and neither one of us understands it. It just works.
Okay.
So,
do we show? Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. So the current year right now is 2014.
Yeah.
Now let's say you're 16 years old. This is crazy. Okay.
so we'll just write 16 up here. This symbolizes the year. Might not work.
It symbolizes the year.
There we go. Yeah.
And this is like symbolizes the age. This is
So
crazy.
this is age down here. So the current year is 2014, right?
Mhm.
Current year is 2014, and then if somebody's 16 in 2014, so let's just say somebody's 16 and the year is 2014. All right. So the next year would be 2015, and that's 1 year after this. So this person would be 17 by now.
But no, this is where it gets absolutely crazy. It's mind blowing. Okay. 15 plus 1. I mean, this is really hard. 16. You might put a little scrap paper here.
If you pause the video to try to figure out that equation, that's fine. But we already had the answers.
Yeah, maybe use a calculator. Scientific, always scientific calculator.
Always scientific.
Okay, now here, 17 plus 1 again, huge, absolutely crazy.
We did the equations before. If you're wondering how we do this so fast, we did the equations beforehand, just so that we could get this moving on. All right. So as you see here, this is right now it's 2014. 2 years from now, it'll be 2016, and then 3 years from now, it'll be 2017, right? And so then, if you're 16 in 2014, 3 years after that, so 1 year 17, 2 years 18,
1, 2.
and then look, 3, you'll be 19.
Like, this is absolutely just...
All right, and we're just getting started. So the good part is, so what this is saying is that in 2017, 1, 2, 3 years from now, you'll be 19 if you're 16 right now. And so let's just take an equation. This is the equation that just makes everything seem completely crazy. So your age, right? Plus 3, and I forgot the answer. What is it?
Oh, 19. Like, this is, like...
So look at this. 16 plus 3 is 19. And then, so 16. 1, 2, 3 years later, you're 19. So if you're 16 and you add 3, somehow it just ends up with your age 3 years in the future. I don't get it either.
This is pretty confusing.
I mean,
we're probably going to do some more in-depth research to see how this...
We're planning on taking a trip to the International Science Center, the one that is founded by Matthew and Aiden. It exists, I promise. They're funding our studies, and we will come back to you in the future if we get any later information on how this works, because I don't know. Do you know?
I have no idea. This is absolutely...
I don't know. He doesn't know. We'll come back to you in the future if we gather more evidence that explains how this process works. But for now, if you can develop any ideas to how this makes sense, you can just let us know. But until then, we'll see you later, I guess.